Hello friends, welcome to my English course for beginners. Lesson 4. Do you speak English? And before diving into it, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing lessons. And now speaking game. Choose the correct answer and read it aloud. What is the correct answer? Portugal, Portuguese, China, Chinese, or Japan, Japanese? The correct answer, China, Chinese. And this one? Spain, Spanish, the United Kingdom, British, or the United States, American?
But I know it feels like somewhere far away from home, and it's falling into pieces. No, there's not a way that we can stop this now. 1,000 miles an hour, we're driving off the edge, and darling, now there's nothing left.
India. Are you ready for speaking practice? Let's start. Listen and repeat. Do you speak English?
Somewhere
Do you
deep
speak
in
English?
you,
Yes, I do.
somewhere deep in
Yes, I
me.
do.
Oh, there's still two lovers.
I speak English a
So
little.
who the hell are
Do you speak
we?
French?
When
speak
I
French?
look at you,
No, I don't.
and when you
No, I
look
don't.
at me,
I don't speak French.
oh, there's still
I
two
don't speak
lovers. So who?
And now I ask, you answer. Choose the correct option. Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Do you speak English? Do you speak Spanish? Do you speak Chinese? Part 2. What languages do you speak? Listen and repeat. Do you speak German? No, I don't. But I speak French. I ask, you answer. Use the words from the list. For example, do you speak English? No, I don't, but I speak Spanish. Let's practice. Do you speak English? Do you speak French? Do you speak Chinese? Great job! Listen and repeat. What languages do you speak? I speak Spanish and a little German. And now finish these sentences. Say the sentences out aloud and choose a different language each time. For example, I speak English very well. I speak French quite well. I speak Spanish a little. Now it's your turn. What languages do you speak? And now part 3, speaking practice. And why do you learn English? Listen and repeat after me. Hi, why do you learn English? I learn English because I want to travel. That's great. Where do you want to go? I want to visit the USA and the UK. Nice! English will help you a lot. Yes, and I also want to watch movies in English. Good reason. Keep going. And now let's practice. You read red lines. Hi, why do you learn English? That's great. Where do you want to go? Nice. English will help you a lot. Good reason. Keep going. Are you ready for real-life conversation? Here it is. I read black and you read red. What languages do you learn? Wow, why do you learn them? That's awesome. Do you find it difficult? Great, keep it up. Well done, bravo! And see you in the next lesson, number 5. Do you have any siblings? Bye, see you. Thank you for watching. Like, share with your friends and subscribe for more. And see you soon. Bye.